What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have some Insta360 Ace Pro batteries. So how do you open this? Oh well, gotta crack the seal. All right, remember on Lost when they had to open the hatch? Well, they didn't have to, but they shouldn't open the hatch. And I don't even, y'all remember that show Lost? I forgot what happened when they opened the hatch. Did they meet the others or something like that? Anyways, if you remember that show. Ah, this smells like electronics. Don't y'all love the new electronic smell? All right, this is what it looks like right here. Caution in the back. So they provided us with 2 batteries. I guess the third one will be the battery that came with the Insta. It would have been nice if they would have had 3 batteries. Now that would have been nice. Right here you have your port right there. Rubber right here on the bottom so you don't scratch your surface. I'm glad they actually thought about that. So that's very nice. So other than that, that's it. There's nothing much to this. I did buy a GoPro one like this. I bought one for my Canon camera. Do whatever you got to do to keep your productivity to keep productive on your productivity. Okay, I like that. So to stay productive on your productivity, make sure you get battery charger set kits like this. All right, to whatever camera you have, any camera. I don't discriminate. If you got Sony, if you have whatever camera, Sony, Canon, whatever camera you like, make sure you have extra batteries and make sure you have SD cards, you guys. Make sure you have extra good SD cards. Don't do what I do. Don't go cheap. All right. SD cards are very important because, especially for what I do, because I do product reviews and all the files. If you get cheap ones, sometimes all the files don't go through and you start having teardrops falling down. Anyways, that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.